Hey guys, welcome to Appalachian Passion. Today, me and JD will be hitting a brown trout and brook trout stream that I fished last summer a couple times and got into him pretty decent. So I took him here. Uh, he said he'd fished it before and had no luck, and so I figured I'd show him a couple places that I knew where there would be fish. Um, we had fished for a little bit, a mile and a half in. JD caught one very first hole on a midge, and then we proceeded to go a decent while changing flies and everything, not catching anything. So we were a little surprised by that. And then we got up to this big hole, and I threw a bugger in after how many fly changes and catch one. That's the clip after the intro. Then we walk up to the next big hole, and then I change flies again after it doesn't work. Catch two more. And yeah. That's my little spiel at the beginning to give some context here, because there's not much given. But yeah, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's head into the intro. If I lose, I'm gonna be sad before I catch a fish on it, because it is like my favorite.
Is it cone-headed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like one of my favorite buggers that I've tied ever.
Oh, you tie those?
Yeah, I tied this one. Oh!
Good one? Oh, wow. They are in here. Nice one.
Dude.
There you go.
Okay, the skunk has been out of the boat.
Yep.
For both of us now. Beautiful. That is a fat fish, dude. That thing just came up and went honk. Yeah.
Oh, you seen him come eat it?
Yeah, that's why I went, oh!
Oh, really?
The hell happened there?
I'm gonna chase him.
I was gonna say, there has to be a frickin' fish in here. I have buggers. I don't have any more good black ones. I have Walmart woolly buggers that are black that are not like oh, he's bleeding. There he goes. Literally right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, I bet you was on that structure we got stuck on, because he shot straight up.
Mm-hmm. Seen him come get it.
Yeah, I went, oh! And then I was like, oh, I don't have them. That mop, you have to catch something. You just have to.
What?
You have to catch something on that mop. You're just gonna. No!
Missed one.
It landed and I went to go grab my glasses,
Yeah.
and he hit.
That's my little deal.
Line got taken out of my hand. No! Again.
You're a brookie.
I don't know. It's hitting pretty big to be a brookie. on the jig streamer. He had it for a little bit.
Seems like a nice fish. You need a minute?
I got it. You can do what you're doing. I'm just gonna let him do what he wants to do. I was just dead drifting that.
Oh, really?
Yep. Is that a brook trout?
Okay. It might be. I couldn't tell.
It's a brown. It's a good fish.
Yeah, it is.
Fat. They're fat in here. Wow, no!
Yeah, I did that. Just drifted through there.
Look at that.
Was that your first drift in there?
Literally first cast with the green. I don't have it. No, I have one on the other reel if you want it. I have a green jiggy if you want it.
If you keep pounding them.
You can't say no.
Yeah. I drifted through there probably 35 times.
First cast.
They want what they want.
Yeah?
Pretty one. Oh yeah.
Very
Spread
pretty
out
fish.
spots.
Yeah, I love the sparsely.
That's a nice one. Like 10, 11, 12.
Probably 10. Very sparse spotted fish.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you're gonna get a mouthful of gravel.
Yeah, that ain't good.
Very sparsely spotted fish. Nice. On the jiggy crayfish, let him back. You know what? I'm just gonna let this. No!
Catch your line with it.
Yeah. I mean, if the what's it called does nothing, then I'm just gonna put on a different nymph and see.
Squirmy?
Yeah, if the squirmy does nothing, there's no point in having it. I just needed something that they could see, I guess. I did throw the black, and I would have thought that they could have seen that some of the best. Yeah, I literally felt that fish go. Another one. Big fish. Big fish. I think. That thing ran me. Dude, that felt big. That thing just went for a run. I don't know. It's staying down.
That might be big.
Grab my net. Dude, big fish.
Is it big?
Big.
Dude, that's sick.
Yes, 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 yes.
Big?
Oh my god. Dude, it's a nice fish. Not huge. Unless I foul hooked it. The hell? Why is he running weird?
He could be foul hooked.
He hit for sure. No. I think it's.
You might have a squirmy in his tail.
No, squirmy's up.
That could happen. Huh.
He hit for sure. Okay. That explains why he's running so weird.
Yeah.
He is foul hooked, but he's a nice fish.
Yeah.
He hit for sure.
Probably 16. Maybe, I don't know.
Unless he's wrapped.
It could be.
Nope, nope, nope.
He's fouled.
You want to go get him? He for sure hit though.
That does happen here sometimes. That's a beautiful fish though.
Dude, I thought he was big.
That's
I
a
was like, that
stud.
didn't feel, I don't feel a lot of weight, but he went for a huge run.
It's a stud though.
Okay, I have that other
Popped
green.
out.
I have that other green crayfish if you want it. 2 casts, 2 fish.
Wow, that is a stud. Here.
Especially this stream. You know what? You want to take a... I'll get like a... Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably 15, 16 inches.
Yeah, not as big as I thought, but... Because he was running me around like he was bigger.
Oh yeah. Really got a nice one here.
Yeah, I thought he was bigger. Okay, maybe there's only 3 fish in this hole. Well, 4. There's a green sunfish. My leg actually feels like it's wet.
You think it's wet?
If it is, I'm gonna be pissed. I think it is.
Not as deep up here this time.
I'm thinking we're wet.
Really?
I don't know how. I just wore these the other day and they were fine. It is on the squirm. Well, I got squirmies if you want them.
Maybe they can't
That is
see
a fat fish. The thing about these fish, they don't go hungry. They're not very skinny.
No.
It's a nice little guy. There we go. Nice. I think maybe caught him sideways. Yeah, hooked him in the side.
Oh, really?
He hit for sure.
Yeah.
I just might have been a little delayed. Said I am recording, right?
Yeah, he's flashing.
Nice little guy. Not bad. It's 5 for me now. Oh, there was a brookie right here. Came after it. Hey, watch. Is my thing recording?
Yeah.
Okay, watch this. Dude, he's right there. He didn't come up. Oh, he came at it again. Hold on.
Is it a brookie?
It looks like it. It's coming out of the water for it.
Dragging it on the side.
3 times he's come up. You can go out and get that if you want.
I'll wait.
Dude, he's right there.
That little club.
Yeah, I might throw a mop on real quick.